Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to save Discord images as JPGs. So if you're confused about image formats or downloads, don't worry, just follow along and you will do it easily. Step 1. Open Discord and go to the chat or server where the image is located. Make sure the image is fully loaded so you can see it clearly before saving it. Step 2. Click on the image to open it in a larger preview window. This helps you see the full quality version instead of the small thumbnail in the chat. Step 3. Now right-click on the opened image. You will see different options appear in a small menu. From here, click on Save Image As. Step 4. A save window will appear on your computer. At the bottom, you will see the file name and format. Many Discord images are saved as PNG or WebP by default. Step 5. To save it as JPG, click on the file name box and manually type JPG at the end of the file name, for example, picture.jpg. Then select the location where you want to save it. Step 6. Click Save. Now your image is downloaded, and when you open it from your folder, it will be in JPG format instead of PNG or WebP. Step 7. If your computer does not convert it automatically, you can open the image in Paint or Photo app. Then click Save As and choose JPG. This method always works as an alternative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.